guys up? It's Colton here. Now I'm at my brother's football scrimmage. That's his team over there. Let me zoom in. Where is my brother? I'm gonna try to find my brother.
He's right by the coach.
Never mind. My mom just told me to make a video, so I don't know what that's gonna be about. Let's just walk around stuff. And this is not good. This video is fine. But
Actually, the video.
I know that his nephew, RJ, is 3 So,
What are you doing?
putting you in the video. Let's just walk around and do some stuff. I made a scarf around me that pulls me off. Well, and what game is that?
Hot. And then if he did a bomb.
Don't care. The crowd. When you're on YouTube. When you're on YouTube. Why? That's loud. Turn it down. There it is.
oh my gosh, our umbrellas are in the car.
Do you want me to go get them?
No, we'll be here.
Okay, then. I guess this video is going to be.
Look how little number 42 is.
Hey, Dad, can you hold this video and make a video of them playing football?
No, I'm not making a video.
Okay, then. I'm zooming in.
Usually I wear games on it.
Oh, I feel your hair on me. Stop, Ava. No! This is boring. Well, hope you enjoy.